In this video, we're going to show you our step-by-step process on how we install turf swing set bases. At this particular job, we installed an artificial turf pad to replace an existing wood chip swing set base. So a few steps will be slightly different from a typical job, where we often build the swing set base from the ground up. Since this particular job site already had an existing foundation, we needed to remove the old dirt and wood chips. We also removed the weed barrier fabric from the existing pad and eventually replaced it with a new fabric layer, which you'll see in a later step. Next, we grade the pad. We use our mini skid steer to accurately level the base and pack the ground firmly together. This helps to keep the ground from shifting or sinking, which could cause an unlevel swing set foundation. Using a string line, we typically mark how much stone we'll need to use. Under all of our turf swing set foundations, we typically add a 2 to 4 inch layer of stone for structural integrity and effective drainage across the entire pad. Before dumping the stone, however, we'll fasten a weed fabric barrier to the perimeter of the pad. We use a woven stabilization fabric with a Class 3 rating that is designed to be used in road construction because of its tensile and puncture strength. This prevents weeds from creeping into your foundation. The fabric barrier is also permeable, allowing for effective water drainage across your swing set pad. Next, we'll attach strips of wood to the foundation perimeter that is flush with the stone depth marking. We'll use these strips of wood later to fasten the turf to the pad. Alright, we're now ready to dump and level the stone. We use a crushed limestone aggregate called 3/4 inch clean. Once the stone is dumped, we use a rake to level out the stone across the entire pad. After the stone is leveled, we use a plate compactor to lock the stone into place. This creates a much stronger foundation for your swing set. It's now time to cut the turf. At this particular job site, we cut the turf into 3 sections in order for efficient install on the pad. We also needed to make a cutout in the turf for a fire pit. Once the turf is securely laid across the pad, we'll cut the turf to the pad's exact dimensions. Next, we'll fasten the turf along the perimeter to the wooden strips that we had previously installed. We place a screw every few inches to ensure that the turf stays securely fastened to the wood perimeter. Once the turf is secured to the perimeter, we'll join the 3 turf pieces together at the seams. We do this by securely taping the turf joints. Now that the turf sections are securely seamed together and fastened to the perimeter, we'll tamp the turf to ensure that there are no bubbles or wrinkles on the finished pad. And that's it. You'll be left with a clean, beautiful turf swing set foundation that drains effectively and efficiently and will last for many years to come. If you're interested in a turf playset pad just like this one, talk to our experienced and knowledgeable team or request a quote on our website at siteprep.com. We look forward to working with you.